What's going on, guys? Crypto Jeremy here, back with our XRP video. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I am so excited, guys. XRP at 66 cents. Who would have thought? We knew, because I talked about it in my past few videos, guys. The bullish momentum that I was talking about in my past few videos has finally reached an apex and is now about to go absolutely ballistic. And I'm saying that with confidence because I know it. Up 7% today. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoy the video, smash the like button, okay? I know I never like videos on YouTube unless I really like them. So I hope you really like this video, right? Smash the like button. If you don't like the video and you think I'm an idiot, you think I shouldn't be even making videos, dislike the video. You can subscribe if you want to get daily videos. I'm uploading consistently. I'm excited. New content every day. Give you a little bit of a quick summary of what's happening in the XRP community and the XRP for the day, so you don't have to spend your time reading stupid tweets. Subscribe, and you can always unsubscribe later, guys. If you don't like the videos after a while, just unsubscribe. It's totally fine. Let's get straight into it. So up 7%, not something that we see that often for XRP without a quick dump right after, but we have steady momentum. This is called steady momentum building up, picking up. And if you look at the XRP to BTC chart, you'll actually notice that Bitcoin's not really pumping that much right now. Even on the daily here for the XRP to BTC chart, that is a solid, look at that, pretty much the same. Bitcoin kind of sideways today. We are breaking out above, hopefully, this resistance that we've seen time and time again, or this level that we've seen time and time again on the XRP to Bitcoin chart. Even back here, in 2022, it's just a resistance, and hopefully we can get to that and then break it. It's around 2,000 Satoshis, or is that 2,000 Satoshis? I believe it is. Keep an eye on that, because, we're at the point here where Bitcoin dominance is really high. It's above 50%. ETH needs to take some of it. XRP needs to take some of it. Some of these actual altcoins that have actual potential in the future need to take a part of it, because Bitcoin's store of value, store of wealth, quote unquote, is not going to hold up much when people get FOMO and from missing out on these great altcoin opportunities. I mean, you guys remember 2021, the great opportunities that came, arose with things like NFTs, meme coins, etc., DeFi. So XRP, without this SEC lawsuit hanging over its head, is looking pretty good. I'm not lying to you guys. It's pretty obvious. Okay, if we look at the Bollinger Band here, this is the 3 standard deviations, which means 99.7% of candles candle density should be within it. And we had a wick a couple hours ago, a little bit of a sell-off outside of that, but we've been consistently in it, using it kind of as resistance here, as support here. Wicks only, outside of it, not really having any candles closing. So the second that this, becomes a little bit tighter, is time for it means that the probability of a move is decreasing, right? At least the implied probability, because this is based off of the past candles, right? So it's how much does it deviate from the volatility? The past volatility, I believe this is 5 or 50 candles. Let me check real quick. It matters because this is 5. It matters because what that means is that when we get very, very bullish, you can start using the Bollinger Bands as, especially on the shorter time frames, like the 5-minute, for example, as a level of, is it, overextended, right? So if you see us dump in the 5-minute below, outside the Bollinger Band there, or a bullish one right here, it looks like a short-term opportunity here. If you enter around here somewhere, you're back, up, it really will bounce back most of the time. Like here, bullish break downwards, bearish break upwards, right? So yeah, I don't want to get too much into the details of that because you guys don't care about that. It's about IPOs, guys, because the Ripple IPO is something that is not it's not speculation at this point, okay? Brad Garlinghouse has hinted at it before, and the only reason that it hasn't happened yet is because of the SEC lawsuit. But as clarity, appears here with Ripple, I mean, even though it's by forcing, a lawsuit, it still technically has clarity. An expansion abroad, in the UAE as of recently and stuff like that. Ripple is definitely gearing up for this. And there's a guy who made this video. Let me see, which tab was it in? This guy made this video about this on Twitter. Check it out. It's pretty interesting. Covers, the idea that they're hiring for positions that would, help speed up that process or help with that process with auditing, etc. Because, filing for an IPO or completing an IPO is a very difficult accounting, auditing, financial, application, and just process in general. It takes a long time. But that's something that, a lot of the shareholders in Ripple are going to be pushing for. And there's no doubt about it. I wonder what the board will think. But this is actually good. Okay, people say this will suck for XRP. This will be one of those buy the rumors, sell the news type things. However, in the long term, it's good because it will bring more eyes into XRP. It's like AMD, it's like GME, it's like Robinhood. It's like all these meme coins and these meme stocks and these stocks that have a cult following. You'll get a lot more interest from cult followings within or outside of cryptocurrency that will then now be interested in the tech that Ripple is providing, and then will be a little bit more interested in XRP, etc. Because XRP is just a great community. The Ripple community is very good. And you guys know that. It's very tightly knit, and the community needs to be like that for a project to gain that global traction. And I hate to say it, but retail has a bigger influence in crypto than it has in any other market, other than like the GME, AMD stuff, obviously, the short squeeze stuff. But like retail creates the crypto market, and a lot of the business models are built on retail's interest. Like Blur is a perfect example of that, the NFT marketplace, taking advantage of Ripple's or of retail's desire to get to airdrop farm and then getting massive volume from that, right? So that's it's a power that we shouldn't mess with, is the retail investor for XRP, for crypto. And like you look at these cult groups, these cult followings, like there are very few of them, but there are a decent amount. Like back in the day when I got into crypto in 2017. The biggest one was Litecoin, and everyone loved Litecoin. Charlie Lee was a great guy. We love David Schwartz. We love Brad Garlinghouse. We love the environment, just the community they've created. So it's great. I love to be part of that community, and I'm always, proud to be holding a bag. But for, those reasons, I think we're looking pretty good for XRP. There's a lot of potential, volume to come into the market. That's how simple it is. And you can see the open interest up 8% today, up more than the percentage change of the price. People are going into those longs. Liquidations, where are the liquidations at? Let's look at these. Probably much higher. I would say a lot of shorts probably got liquidated here. I don't know why this isn't loading. Let me reload that. A lot of people probably got wrecked. A lot of shorts. Yeah, look at that. 700K for long liquidations, and then 2.9 mil in the past 24 hours for short liquidations. I don't know how you're getting liquidated long here. You must be an absolutely horrendous trader if you're like getting liquidated on a wick that literally goes down 2%. Like, what are they using? 30x leverage? Don't be using that, guys. I've been very fortunate over the past week or so trading on MEXC. I got a few plays. I got into Sushi Swap early. I got into Solana off the rebounds. I got into, what else did I get into pretty well? Now I'm blanking. Let me quickly check here. It's been very interesting. Trading like this momentum. A lot of these meme coins. If you're like 5x leverage and the meme coin goes up 10%, that's 50% profit, right? And I've been taking advantage of that a lot. And I'm just excited to see what happens, over the next few weeks. STX, a little bit of interest as well. What meme coins are you guys trading, guys? Or no, I shouldn't say meme coins. What coins are you guys trading? Comment down below. I'm always curious to see what the momentum is, right? Because it's a PvP arena, right? It's whatever the momentum is, people will, flock towards that. I'm trying to see TRB. Was it TRB? I was trading that as well. Pretty well on that. But yeah, once again, XRP. Haven't been trading XRP recently. I'm waiting for a sell-off here, and then I'll enter long. I'm not shorting XRP. The only time I really ever shorted XRP was during the announcement of the SEC lawsuit. I never shorted the retest or the fib or the retracement. Using fib retracements. I never shorted XRP during a pump, like here, for example, or something like that. It's just bad karma, man. Like, why am I going to short it as spot? I already have spot exposure. I'm not trying to hedge anything. It's too risky. You just miss out. You have opportunity cost if you short and you have spot exposure equal to your short, and then it just starts pumping. You're pretty much net neutral, right? So it's like you're missing out on the opportunity cost of that price going up. And then when you're shorting, it's just bad juju, bro. I would not recommend shorting things that you like. You're like short things you don't like. Revenge short, right? That's the mindset. But yeah, I've been seeing the MEXC signups from you guys. I appreciate the support using my affiliate link. It really means a lot. I get bonuses from that. Whatever. It's like it's not that much right now. But yeah, I have all the bonuses for you guys if you guys want to check that out. And you can trade spot there as well. It's just a good exchange, man. Like over the years, I've promoted different exchanges. None of the exchanges I've promoted have like rugged. I never promoted FTX. I promoted crypto.com a lot because it was just great for a new crypto user. The card is really good. I used to talk about Bybit, but then they did KYC and screw that. Bybit has always been really good. And now MEXC is just really good. People talk a lot of trash about it online. They say that they will max short your project. They'll just buy a lot of your coin, max short it, and obliterate projects. People say that they're like holding money for people or holding people's money and not allowing them to withdraw. It's all cap. It's all just FUD, really, is what it is. I mean, they have a token and their token's doing well. I'm not paid by MEXC in any way, shape, or form. So that's how you know it's legit, right? I only have the affiliate bonus stuff. I have no relationship, never emailed anyone in MEXC, and I'm telling you, just from my experience, other than on-chain leverage or exchanges, like I use DYDX, that's really good as well. But I like the variety of shit coins you can short on that shit. It's great. It's my favorite pastime. Is just trading shit coins on leverage. It's amazing. I don't know. It's better than any other short type of trade. It's better than options. It's better than freaking gambling, all this other crap that people lose money on. That's how I choose to lose my money or make money. But yeah, XRP guys. Sorry, a little bit of a tangent. I mean, this guy looked bullish. Okay, I love the bullishness. The bullishness is back, and that's what I love. That makes me happy, right? I want to see copium. I want to see Hopi. I want to see bullishness. I want to see insane moon boy ideology, mindset, just crazy stuff, man. It just makes me happy, and I'm excited to see what happens with XRP. And yeah, we're going straight to the moon, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the journey and the ride. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still watching right now, make sure to comment down below. Say you're still watching, and I really appreciate the support, guys. Really, I'm glad to be back making videos. It's been a while, and it's fun. Any questions you guys have, any things you want to talk about me to cover in videos, comment them down below. You know what I mean, man. I'll try to keep these videos simple. You know, I try not to go too much in depth because, you know, a lot of people watching the videos are just, you know, new to crypto, just curious, and don't ever put, you know, a YouTuber or crypto, you know, influencer type thing on a pedestal. Okay, what they say isn't always true, right? So keep that in mind. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, as usual. Oh, I forgot to mention, when do I predict a Ripple IPO? Which is probably be the title of this video. I haven't decided the title of the video yet, so like I don't know. But in case that is the title of the video, which it probably will be, I'm thinking next year. I'd be willing to put money down that there will be a Ripple IPO next year in 2024. In perfect time for the bull market. They're gonna time that shit perfectly. Trust me, bro. They're not dumb. They know what they're doing out there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. XRP pumping as we speak. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And until as usual, peace.